Hey David, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. Just wanted to get this video over to you, kind of detailing what you guys are doing with your website, some competition in the area, and what you guys can do to improve the amount of leads you guys have coming into your website. So looking at your guys' website, it is very well built. I really like the layout you guys have. And this video up at the top is a very nice touch. Definitely looks great on there. I don't really have too many recommendations for this homepage other than beefing up your content. There was a recent study done by Google where they tallied up over 1 million different websites looking at all the top ranked ones across multiple niches. And what they found from this is that at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content is kind of the key ranking factor, or not the key, but a big ranking factor for who's going to be in that top spot. So beefing up the amount of content you guys have on here would definitely help you guys out when it comes to your guys' rankings across multiple service areas. So what we're going to be looking at today, I have this tool I use called Ahrefs, and what this allows me to do is kind of see the inner workings of a person's website as far as what they're doing SEO wise, and I can also look at search volumes for different keywords. So for roofing San Antonio, there's 600 search volume per month right now. You guys are currently sitting at 37th for this keyword. I know you guys are getting a lot of traffic to your site, but I think you guys actually have the possibility of getting a lot more traffic based off of really targeting some of these sub areas you guys aren't really focusing on currently. So again, we're going to go back over to Ahrefs, and what we're going to be looking at here is your guys' backlinks. And what a backlink is, I don't know if you're familiar with this, but a backlink is a link from site A to site B. And in turn, you're getting some of this, what we call backlink juice from that site A back to your site, site B, and in turn it brings up the popularity or the trust of your website in Google's eyes and helps it bring up in the rankings. So looking at backlinks you guys have for your subpage for San Antonio roof repair, you guys only have 2 backlinks for one referring domain, and one of those is actually just from your main page. So definitely increasing the amount of backlinks you guys have would help you really capture more of that 600 search volume. Being in that top spot for roofing in San Antonio, you can usually figure to be getting about 33% of all the search volume going to your website. So you're definitely missing out about 200 clicks per month going to your guys' site by not having any kind of focus on that San Antonio roofers page. Another thing that I did see that actually kind of worried me, I don't know, obviously you have somebody doing SEO because there is a lot of work on your guys' site. But looking through your guys' different service area pages, this is the one for San Antonio residential roofing. There is a lot of content on here, which is great, but I went through all the pages and I actually found that almost all of the content in all the pages is the exact same, which is a huge no-no for Google. You can actually get hit really hard and it can actually really bring down your rankings for your website, having that duplicate content on there. And you guys have that for every single one of them. All that's changed out on there is the city name. So whoever is doing your SEO, this is the easy way they did it. They took the easy route on this. I would not recommend this for any one of my customers ever having that duplicate content on there. If you are going to try to rank for all these other pages and all these different service areas, you need to have unique content on each one. So definitely I would look into that and figure out what you guys have going on there. Again, overall, you guys do have a well-built site. You guys have a lot of backlinks and referring domains going to your guys' site. But I think there is a lot of potential for some of these sub-service areas that you guys just aren't focusing on. And making those corrections with your guys' content, I think you guys would see a huge uptick in the amount of traffic you guys have when going to your website. Hope you gained something from this. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.